Hello, hello everyone, one sec. It is really windy right now, guys, but today we're going to be playing Rivals. Now, you guys know this game, it's just this fun game. But guys, in this video, I actually got, before, I got energy pistols with this really cool skin. Now, I did not use Robux, obviously, because I'm saving my Robux, but I used my 10 skin tickets, and the skin is called Hacker. So, yeah. Anyways, before we keep going, I want to show you guys my, got something for sniper. Well, I got this cool wrap. Anyways, where is energy pistols? Yeah, this is what my energy pistols looks like, guys. It has this skin, the hacker pistols, and then I got, oh, that's cute. That's pretty cute, but I don't want any of that. And then my wrap is this wrap. So yeah, the wrap is called the PD and J. I want to see the other one. This void pistols looks cool. I think these ones are my favorite ones, the hacker pistols. And then everything else is kind of mid. But guys, before I actually go, I want to open these festive. Okay, let's see what I get for this one first. Ooh, I got a fortune wrapping for, what is it? For med kit. Let's check that real quick. The fortune wrap. Okay, that's pretty cute. I'm not going to keep it though because I like the regular one better, but let's see what we get for the second festive wrap. Let's see what we get, guys, and then we'll start playing Rivals. Here's my energy pistols. We got the periwinkle wrapping for assault rifle. Let's check what that. I like the Aurora better, but that's still really cute. Then last but not least, we got the trolley chest. Let's see what we get out of this trolley chest. I wonder what we get, guys. Ooh, we got a finisher. What is this finisher play? That's really cool. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. That's actually really cute. Now, guys, let's actually join a 1v1. Okay, this dude's a 179. We might be cooked here, but it is fine because we're gonna try our very best. I'm gonna use Crossroads because I love Crossroads, and yeah. Okay, I really hope that we can win this and we don't lose. That's what I'm gonna hope. So I picked sniper, I picked my energy pistols, katana, and medkit. I hear bow. I don't know why that dude's using bow. Just unbox the leather and just okay. Damn, he's already. He already did so much damage to me. Okay, now I'm on 100. $51 more hits. Ow! Oh my god, this is actually stupid. Why is this dude using bow first of all? That's kind of stupid. We're gonna use my energy pistols. How is he already? He's pretty low. He's like 40 damage. Bruh, I hate Extragon. Literally, I hate this dude. This dude is actually annoying. Well, let's do crossbow. Crossbow is good. $75. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We actually did really good. We're just gonna keep cooking. He's not in the water. Bro, disconnected? That is just... Does that still count as a win? I don't know, but let's... Okay, this girl's going for it. This girl's actually going for it. 126. Let's see how this goes, guys. I don't think she's gonna win, but let's see how this goes. If she's really good, I need to pull out my my medkit. Where'd she go? Okay, she's mid, guys. She's actually doing damage to me. Like, what the hell, bro? Okay, she's alright, guys. Honestly, I am kind of spamming, but it is fine. We're gonna go easy because I feel bad. I'm totally really bad at assault rifle. I'm totally really bad at it, so she should be good. What even is she? Damn it, I missed by just a little bit. Oh my god, I was 5 HP. That is actually crazy. That was actually crazy. I was 5 HP, so I'll let her win once just in case she actually like leaves and stuff like that. So I'll let her win once. Okay, I'll let her win here. Just in case like she tries to, oh no, oh, where am I going? Oh no, where am I going? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, she killed me. Oh no, that was just a bummer. Now she actually thinks that she might win, so I'm gonna now go try hard. I'm not gonna go pay to win, but I'm gonna go try hard. I actually like... Right now I'm going to try hard. I'll let her win one more time and then I'll just finish. No, it will be 4-1 and then I'll let her win one or like 2 times maybe and then I'll destroy her. Because I don't want her to rage quit. I want this to be a successful round and then I'll probably end the video. Because last time it wasn't really a successful round. I don't know why she was AFK just like that, but yeah. I'm excited. If she's AFK, then this is just... She's AFK. Girl. Let's see if she has order. Oh, frick. Let's see if she has order, guys. She left. She left. That is a bummer. GG's. Was that a successful round? I think that was a successful round. I like I want to see what weapon I'm gonna get next. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, me getting energy pistols with our skin is actually really crazy. If you guys want to support me, please like the video and click that subscribe button and